Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make yummy milkshake at home, updated. Start by choosing a base, whole milk or plant milk and your favorite ice cream. Measure 1 cup milk and 2 scoops ice cream, then add flavorings like cocoa or fresh fruit. Blend in pulses until smooth, then check texture and sweetness. Serve chilled in a tall glass with a straw and optional whipped cream for a diner-style finish. Choose complementary flavors before you blend to save time and avoid overmixing. Start with a dominant element like banana or chocolate, then build layers with extracts, spices, or mix-ins. Balance sweetness and acidity by tasting as you go, aiming for a smooth, creamy mouthfeel. If the shake is too thick, add milk by tablespoons. If too thin, add frozen fruit or ice cream. Blend briefly for the best texture. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and hit like to help more people find easy recipes. Quick recommendation: upgrade your clean game with the Shark AI Ultra Robot Vacuum. Voice control makes post-shake cleanup ridiculously simple and almost fun. It maps your floors and handles crumbs so you can focus on flavor, not sweeping. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Presentation makes homemade shakes feel special without adding work. Chill your serving glasses so the drink stays cold and thick longer. Use a spoon to drizzle syrup or sauce inside the glass before pouring for visual appeal. Top with crushed cookies, sprinkles, or a fruit slice to add texture and color. Small finishing touches make a big difference when serving friends or family at home.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.